Welcome to the McAlvany Weekly Commentary. This week we discuss the stock market and the internals, which we view as rotten. Earnings season is in full swing, and we're finding many types of creativity applied to the results we have. Cannibalism might be one description of what we find. Meanwhile, in the banking and central banking community, there's growing concerns about what has been allowed for the last several years, but what may in fact be destabilizing to not only the banking sector, but the fixed income or bond markets. Last but certainly not least is the minuscule short interest in the U.S. stock market. That is, people who believe the stock market is going down are now a dying breed. Everyone believes the stock market only goes one direction. Not since Lehman has the short interest been this small. Join us for this and more on this week's McAlvany Weekly Commentary.